I will show some of the samples I have prepared here. Electric field due to dipole. This is the physics notes. See, that is, you can do it in a better way because I have done this in a very casual way, but you can do it in a better way because it is going to be printed. So this was used for one of my lecture classes. So on the left side, that is, I have given the 2/3 space for the illustrations and the explanations, and here I have put the legend, that is, what are the important expressions. So all these are listed out on the right hand side. Clear? So this is the way I expect. So this is physics. So physics teachers and even chemistry teachers, those who are working on derivations, can make use of this technique. Okay. Then, so this is the next page. So as far as landscape papers are concerned, you have to turn like this only. Okay. So this one and the next page should be like this. Right. This one, and if you feel that it is going to be extended as a lengthy one, that is a wider one, so in that case you can make use of the entire stitch, entire width. Okay, and this is the next one. So as and when required, I am giving the expressions and key points here. So this is as far as physics is concerned, and this is another one where I am explaining about the equations of motions for a freely falling body. So I have given the diagram here and the required basic equations. Then the main derivations are in this area, the visual area. Okay. So here these are the derivations and these are the side points. Okay. So likewise you can proceed. And the mathematics teachers can also follow the same way. Okay. Right. So this is variation of acceleration due to gravity with the tip. So these are the expressions, terms and definitions can be given, an important formula, key steps, all these things can be highlighted. In fact, this helps for memorizing the key points, and this is the comprehensive part. And as far as max is concerned, suppose this is the problem, there will be a running problem here, and these are the given one and what is to be found out. Then solution starts here, and the required reference diagram and other input points and additional points can be brought here. Even the rough work can be done here. Okay. So as far as chemistry is concerned, see, that is, sometimes I use the wider area. Okay, because being a reaction, it can be illustrated in this way. Okay, all this for chemistry. So this is heterotic cleavage and how the carbocations are generated. So these details can be given very nicely in this way. And sometimes if you want to compare, you can make use of this. So for everything, you may find that the landscape will be more comfortable. Okay, right? And for instance, when I make it as a sketch note or organization chart, I use the white space more effectively. Okay, see, so this is the way I expect from you, right? And this is as far as chemistry is concerned, and this is the problem solving in physics. Okay, see that, but you do it in a better way. So put proper margin here. When I say margin, the line with the vertical line separating the expressions and the main notes. And this is the question, and this is the given. Then we have to apply the equation and what kind of equation and formula to be used. All these things can be illustrated here on the right side. Okay, see that, right? And as far as the sketch note summaries, you can use the entire space so nicely. And I have talked about the eutrophication. Then what is the main explanations for this? All these are arranged here, and I have made some that is a mnemonic also in order to remember all these points. In fact, this is the center topic or concept title, and these are all the various nodes, primary nodes, and based on the primary nodes you can develop the secondary nodes. Okay, so this will be a very good mind map. Okay, and I'm talking about the electrochemistry, where I have indicated the cell notation, then what is the meaning of anodic reaction and the cathodic reaction, then I have put the standard values here. So likewise, and I am explaining Gabriel Thalima synthesis. So this is the key, I mean the main reaction, and these are all the side nodes. Okay, right.